Call 911. Grampy's on the roof again. But what we've got here, and we're going up on the north side, is the underlayment is over the drip edge flashing as it should be. Not just to show things as they should be. The drip edge flashing is over the rain gutter, so this all cascades down as it should. That's nice. It also looks like this rain gutter might have been replaced at the same time with the roof covering. Okay, we've also got soffit vents. There we go, soffit vents, air intake vents. And then at the top of the roof, we've got ridge vents. We'll get a better look at that. Composition shingle. It's a darker medium. Okay. Let's see if I can do this. All right. Got some deflections here. I call them deflections. Technical name might be sumping, but every roof is going to have that. Every roof is going to have that. If it's bad, then I'm going to recategorize it. I'm going to call it sumping. Hey, buddy. Right? Oh, man, look at the hair standing up on your back. He's running. He's a runner. He's a runner. This roof looks like it's only about 3 years old. It might be newer. Or it might be 4 years. But I'm not seeing any damage. I'm not seeing any damage. Pretty nice all the way around. We've got okay. See this air vent? If that's okay with the manufacturer, this is the fresh air vent for the fireplace. And if that's okay for the manufacturer, then that supersedes code. The code says that the fresh air vent for the fireplace, okay, the fresh air vent for the fireplace should not be any higher than the firebox, and we're up on the roof. We're up on the roof, so that's going to make the report because I don't have the manufacturer's installation instructions. I'm going to say that the fresh air combustible air supply to the fireplace is higher than the firebox, because obviously it is. Coming on along, and yeah, this is not new wood up here. This is not new wood, but it's painted and it's serviceable. It's not a new house either. Okay, I'm not gonna find nothing wrong. Okay, I'm gonna find that the fresh air to the fireplace, that's a fire, that's another part of the report. That's in section J. We're in section C, 1C. That's in section 1J of the fireplace. Ridge vents, ridge vents. Those are the cat's meow. Coming along. What am I seeing? Kick out flashing? Are you kidding me? Okay. That's a good thing. I said, are you kidding? I've been accused of having a grudge against roofers. And it's probably because I've had my roof replaced a couple times. Maybe I learned something about roofers being a home inspector. But I gotta say, you know, I can't find the nailing pattern. There's things that I can't see. But I gotta say, this is a darn good roof. For what I do, what am I gonna complain about? Nothing. Huh. Okay. It happens. Might have happened for the first time today. These bushes should be cut back away from it. I want to say something.